His real name is Ismail x Sasmaz. Date of birth November 25, 1993. Present age he is currently 31 years old. She was born in Turkey. He is a Turkish by nationality. He is an actor by profession. He is active 2013 to present. His height is 6 feet 0 inches tall. His real name is Halil Ibrahim Ceyhan. Date of birth December 13, 1982. Present age he is currently 14 years old. He was born in Sivas, Turkey. He is a Turkish by nationality. He is an actor and model by profession. He is active 2013 to present. His height is 6 feet 1 inches tall. Her name is Yagmur Yuksel. Date of birth January 21, 2002. Present age she is currently 22 years old. She was born in Izmir, Turkey. She is a Turkish by nationality. She is an actress by profession. He is active 2021 to present. Her height is 5 feet 5 inches tall. Her ethnicity is white. Her zodiac sign is Aquarius.